First step is foundation. Before I started doing all this, I washed down her body. I dressed her while she was limp. Here is after the foundation. She's looking a little gray. Now I'm about to do concealer and some green stuff to make her less purple. Gonna put this underneath her eyeballs and a few other red areas. That was definitely a game changer. She definitely looks more alive. Did the blush, put a little on the eyes just for extra measure. Now I am going to do some mascara and then lipstick. Okay, I've done her blush, her mascara, and her lipstick. She's looking great. Now I just got to do her hair. This is the final product of Ember Gore after she was killed by hanging herself. Suicide. Her makeup is done, her hair is done, her clothes are on, and she is clean.